Hi everyone, today I would like to make homemade popcorns. Well, I'm following a diet that there are certain moments in anxiety in which I can't control myself, so I decided to prepare something homemade. Okay, I'm going to use olive oil. You want to use any other kind of oil? I don't know how it's going to work, but that's what I'm going to do. I cover fully the corn. As you can see, it's not baked, it's just natural seeds. Okay, it seems that with this it will be enough. However, if you want to give it some taste, you can put some salt. For me, it's not necessary. Okay, but you can put some onion. And it will be tasty. You don't know how much tasty it's going to be. Then a bit of cylinder. I don't know if it's going to fall. Yeah, it's falling. It's dropping. This is optional, okay? This question is optional, so if you don't follow it, it's okay. But the one that is not so optional is the question of dropping all the oil over the seeds of corn, the corn seeds. Okay, this is not optional. What I'm doing is stirring all the different spices I have put it on, right? And now, once you have finished, and now for this is less important, you have to put this into the microwave. Dun dun dun. Okay, this is the microwave, right? Okay, once you are here, and this is what is really important, you have to cover it with some kind of plastic. Look at this, can you see that? That is what corn do. So that means that you have to be careful with corn. Okay? We are going to use 3 minutes to do that. And at the very end, everything will be okay. If it is not okay, put the rest of the corn that it is not done, and you will see it is perfect. Okay, thank you very much for watching me. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it, and try, subscribe, bye.